Today, we'll run through the installation process for the Philmac 3G IPS fitting for connecting IPS pipe. I'm going to do it on a 3/4 inch pipe. The only tools you need are a wrench and a saw or cutters to cut the pipe. It's important before you start that the cut of the pipe is reasonably square and clear of burrs. Make sure that the nut is backed off and there's at least one thread showing. Bring the pipe up to the fitting and insert it. You'll feel it stop internally. Then tighten by hand and do the final tighten with a wrench. Just a gentle nip-up is required. That's the fitting fully installed. It's important to note that the nut is up against the flange of the body. Disassembly is a simple process too. Use the wrench and loosen. Then unscrew the nut by hand until there's about one thread showing and the pipe can be withdrawn. This is the installation and disassembly process for the Philmac 3G IPS fitting.